Hi, this is Roger, Fluid Arts by Cole, and the old geezer that lives in the mountains of Tennessee. Love doing this new art form. Today, we're doing a puddle blowout of an orangey red flower. My background today is white, tinted with cadmium yellow, just a sunny, bright color. After the canvas was smoothed, torched off for bubbles, began the layout. All of the paint used today is by creative inspirations. First was cadmium orange in the center puddle, then cadmium yellow light, this is Scarlet Lake, an orangey red tone. Sorry for the delay. This is a gold for modern masters. Then came Carmen Red by Creative Inspirations. Next became a cell activator. This is black. Amsterdam and florals, about 6 parts to 1. Now comes the fun. This panel is 11 by 14. I'm using a small hairdryer to begin the initial blowout. This one turned out to be a lot of fun, and I immediately liked the results. So that I don't talk non-stop, the music in the background is a guitarist called Edson Lopes. Hope you enjoy. Next came the decision to modify the blowout a little bit. After a brief torch, I was not quite pleased with the final result. Made the decision that I would wreck it. To make the leaves more intensive. I came back with the hairdryer again. I added some petals on the sides and on the top and on the bottom. Now more pleased with the final result. Pretty indeed. You'll note later on, I go back and I wreck the design one more time to give some clarity to the petals on the flower. Here's where we began phase 2. It was too wet before to wreck, so I went back to work on the design. Use my skewer. We won't tell anybody. It's the bottom of one of my favorite paintbrushes. Seems to do the job quite well. Love the little curlicues. We have a mega bunch of cells from the cell activator in the dark portions of the center. I'm very pleased. After this was completed, here is a flyover of the design. I apologize, it's not the best focus, but it does show some of the nice detail. Extremely pleased with the color palette chosen for this. Note the cells here. I let the picture sit out about 15 minutes and went back to re-wreck my petal lines. There was too much paint initially, and the lines got gobbled up. Live and learn. So here, once again, the petals were defined. Very pleased with this result. So shortly I'll give you a final view. This is wet. I'm anxious to see the dry, but I want to post this. I will post the dry at a later date. So here it is. Wrecked for actually the third time, and this time it held well. Thank you for the latest venture. Orangey red flower indeed. Thank you for sharing. And we thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We value any comments that you may have, positive or negative. Love to hear from you. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.